Okay, so this is a brief video on how to install Screencastify into your Google Chrome. So to start off with, I've opened up my my personal version, or sorry, my school board version of Google Chrome. So I'm logged in under my Scudsby email, and what we're going to do today is we're going to navigate to screencastify.com, and we are going to click on this right here that says Add to Chrome. Okay. Start by this, Add to Chrome. This will pop up. So it says, yes, it's under my school board email or my school board username, and I want to click Add to Chrome. I'm adding it to Chrome. Yes, I'm going to add the extension. Here we go. It's going to take a second to load. Okay, I've just gone ahead here. So now that we've got it loaded, it's going to automatically put itself onto my toolbar. It's got this little icon, the arrow with the screen in it, and it says you can use this extension by pressing Alt, Shift, and S. All right. So in Chrome, the other thing that they've got here, if we go back to Screencastify itself, they've got all kinds of tips and tricks and things you can do to get it to work. There's different products, there's different overview courses, things you can use to help you out. So I hope that this is one way you can use the Screencastify product. If I click on it now, all right, it's going to go through the setup, sign in with Google. I want to make sure I'm signed into my Scudsby email. So there we are. I'm going to allow it to record, do whatever it needs to do to access my thing. Okay, there we are. Camera, I want to, yes, I'm going to unlock all the features. I'm going to allow it to access my camera. I'm going to allow it to use my microphone. There we go, and we are all set up. So there are lots of tips and tricks here. They're going to want to sell you the paid version, of course, but that's basically it. Okay, I hope you've had a good day, and hope this has been helpful to you.